In this video, I'm going to unbox and review the TWS i9s. If you are into tech, consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. And let's dive into the video.
Hello girls and boys, ready? Let's begin.
Let's start off by having a look around the box. It has the model name on the sides of the box. There it is mentioned some of the top features such as built-in battery, calling capability, audio quality, built-in microphone and wireless connectivity. Then at the bottom of the box you will be able to see the specification of this device. When you take off the package cover of the i9s tws, you'll be able to see the i9s charging dock. Let's unwrap it once we check out the other contents of the box. There will be a silicone case for the charging dock with a safety hook to attach it to your belt hook. Then you will find a lightning cable to power your charging dock. And finally an instruction manual. Now I am going to take off this blue protection sticker from around the charging dock. Now the sticker is completely taken off and let's have a look around the charging dock. There is a silver accent on the charging dock with a power button. And here you have to connect your lightning connector to charge your charging dock. Inside the charging dock you can see the wireless earbuds. And when you get it out of the charging dock, you don't need to give more force like you gave in the previous generation i7s. If you haven't watched that video, you can click on the card above. Here inside the charging dock you can see the point the earphones tally with to charge itself. It has a very better build quality than the previous version i7s with smaller in size. The Bluetooth version of this device is version 5.0. It has a battery capacity of 60 mAh, 3.7 volt, and you can have a phone call between 2 to 3 hours in this device. It only takes 40 minutes to charge this device. These wireless earphones have a frequency of 20 to 20,000 Hz. Now as you can see from these points only, this device gets connected to the charging dock. While the earbuds is charging, you will be able to see red lights flashed inside the earbuds. Now I am going to install the silicone case to the charging dock. Now I'm going to show you guys to pair these wireless earbuds to an Android device. Hold the multifunction button on both earbuds for about 3 seconds. Then you will be able to see both earbuds flashing blue and red light and both of them getting connected. And then one earbud will be flashing red and blue and the other earbud will be flashing blue every 3 to 5 seconds. Now it's ready to be connected to an Android device. Open Bluetooth and search for new device. And then click on i9s tws. And another pop-up will appear. Just click on pair and it will be connected and you will be able to see the battery percentage. Now I'm going to show you guys to turn off the i9s tws wireless earbuds. Click on the multifunction button on any side of the device and your device will be turned off. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and like button. If you have any questions, we can discuss it in the comment section down below. See you guys next time.